analysis is concerned. So today we are going to begin with descriptive statistics. And running descriptive statistics can entail a number of things. But for today, we are only going to run descriptive statistics for demographic information. We are not going to report. We'll run the demographic information. We'll just edit the tables the way they should be, and we'll report the first one, which is gender. So your assignment will be to report the rest. And if we come next time and you have not, I will share I will share with you the data set. So if you don't run your own and report, then you will not attend the next class. That's how it's going to be, so that we know exactly those that we are going with. So today we are going to see how to run descriptive statistics. Why you need to run your descriptive statistics, the first thing to do is to go to the heart of SPSS. The heart of SPSS here is actually the analyze button or the analyze key. Here you go to analyze, you go to descriptive, you take frequency. For you to run descriptive statistics, you go to analyze, go to descriptive, you go to frequency. Especially when we are talking about demographic information. So we click on frequency, and as I have told you, each time you come here, what is displayed here is variable levels. Now if you right click anywhere here, you display variable names, so that it can be showing clearly what you had already stated somewhere here. So these things, these your codings will be showing very well. So you want to do just for demographic, you click on control in order to select the ones that you need. Once you click on control on your keyboard and hold, you select the ones that you need. You could still come and you don't click on control and hold, you start sending one after the other. So you click on D1, you send, D2, you send, D3, you send, D4, you send. You see, but as somebody who already knows machine and knows how it works, when I come here, what I need to do simply is to click on my control, select all that I want to use, and then I send it like this. If I send it back, I could still carry it, click and hold, carry, drag it, and put it here. So those are the various ways you can do. So at this point, your display frequency tables are already checked automatically. That's what you need. You don't go anywhere again. You just take on. Okay. So this first table is your statistic table. It indicates summarily what is there. So it indicates that there are 107 valid cases and there is no missing value. You go to the table where you have the gender. You have your gender, you have your gender, you have the age, you have the department, you have the level. If this person disturbs again, I'm just sending the person out. So you have gender, you can copy it. You click on control, copy, copy, copy. You right click and copy. Now when you copy, you transfer it to your Word document. This is it here in my Word. You paste it there. And for it to have a uniform and visible right up, I can say select all, Control A. Then I change the settings. This one is just for me to see clearly what I am doing. It's not like when you reach there you have to change it. No, it's because I know that I'm sharing the video with you, and you need to, I'm sharing my screen with you, and you need to see better. So I can even increase from this end so that you can see clearly what I am doing. Okay, at this juncture I want to show you how to arrange this particular table for gender. But before I show you, maybe I should vividly go back again and show you what I have done. So here I just took on analyze, descriptive statistics, frequency. I click on frequency. Normally when you come it will be like this. You can right click and change it to variable names, and then you select the ones that you want to take and you send it to your analyze box and click OK. Your variable box and click OK. It comes like this. That's it. I have copied it to my Word, Microsoft Word. Now I want to work with this table. I want to edit this table to fit upper 7th edition. What I do is I first of all come to this edge where I have a plus. I click on it to select the whole table. Then each time you select a table, or even if you don't select, just clicking inside this table, you will see design and layout over here as table tools. If I click out of the table, it disappears. Once I click inside the table, table tools comes up and you have design and layout. If I take on design, you see I can bring now all the lines by clicking here. If I click here, look at all the lines disappear. Like, look at, I can have different changes, but I want this one because I want all the lines to come so that I can be seen what I am doing. So at this juncture, I remove my gender from here and I put it, no, just remove it from here. For the first try, just remove it from there, and then I delete this particular column. See the way it is. Now I come to this one. I only need frequency and percent. This percentage here, these two. I don't need this valid percentage. I don't need the accumulated percentage. So I click over here like this and I delete. Click. I go to space bar. I delete like this. You've seen the way it is. So I have to also remove this particular column that is going up here for valid because I don't need it. You see, some people allow tables to be very dirty. They allow all of these things there and they don't make any sense. So since I am still inside the table tools are still there. This time around, I'm not clicking on design. I come to layout because what I'm looking for is under layout. If I click on design, I cannot see where to draw table. But when I click on layout, I get my draw table from here. I take draw table, I bring it here, draw. This is just to increase this line here to permit me to delete this particular column like this. Look at how that table has become. Now, when you have this table this way, you can now copy your agenda and fit inside here. It's fine. But now look at the table is too short. Will you hold from here, from the edges, and start dragging like this? No, it's not correct. So what do? I still go to my table tools. I take layout and I come to auto fit. I click here and I take auto fit window. I click there. Look at how that table is now. It has adjusted itself. So if I want, I could select. Either you come and click here to select, or you go manually by doing this like this, which I don't like it. So you just come to this edge, you click here and it selects everything. At home now you can bold. The essence is for me to bold the headings, but this is still not the table that I